What is up then guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to the channel. So it's been about 2 weeks since my last video. That was when we were selling the Mini Cooper. Happy it's gone, massive weight off my shoulders, and I actually feel so much better now that it's gone. Got the CI for back, the old and reliable and mild trusty little work van. Very happy to have it back, and you'll probably see it on the channel soon because it is my little workhorse. But I've been having loads of messages about the Ford Fiesta saying, Markel, what's your plans with it? It just seems to be sitting there. And like I said, I've owned the car for 5 years now, and owning a Ford Fiesta as a project car is like being in an unhealthy relationship. It's like going to turn into a bit of a counselling session. But over time, you just invest loads of money into it, you love it, you have fun with it, and then it comes to that point where it's just like that. The love's lost, and I'm like that. I didn't want to quit on it, and I haven't quit on it, and I've done something which hopefully should rekindle my passion for working on the Ford Fiesta. Some of you probably guessed it, I was asking for suggestions, and I've kind of like grown the cojones, and I've done it. So, introducing you guys to the new build. When you're ready, 3, 2, 1. Here we have our new engine for the Ford Fiesta. A lot of you probably already know what this is. It's the Duratec engine out of an ST150, 150 brake standard. Yes, I don't think there's a lot to actually say about the engine. It's only done, 86,000 miles. I actually drove the car and put it on my Snapchat. It was a white Fiesta ST. People asking me if it was my car. It's not my car, I was buying the engine out of it. But the car drives mint. The clutch is slipping, but obviously this is out now, so it's going to be a really good time to change it. But yeah, that's the engine. That's the new project. We are doing an ST150 swap. But let me just put you guys down first. And if that wasn't exciting enough, the Ford Fiesta, when I got it, it was an LX, came as a 1.25, started life as about 75 brake horsepower. A couple of years later, put the Zetec S 1.6 engine in it, took it up to about 100 brake horsepower. And if I'm honest, the 1.6, as you guys know, it's quite fun, it's quite nippy, and you do have a bit of fun with it, especially when your car is as light as mine. But we're going up to 150 brake horsepower, and if that's not exciting enough, this isn't just going to be a straight swap with the 2-litre Duratec. This is going to be my first ever turbo build. So I've got most of the main components in, and sorry, let me just say that again. Turbo build. I'm completely overwhelmed. I'm not going to lie. Massive shout out to some of the guys like TTV who did the clutches, and Adam at FST who've been giving me most of the information I'm going to need to complete this build. Also the guys who built the Fonda Fiesta, they've been supporting me with parts as well for this build as well. So massive shout out to all of those guys, because this is going to be quite fun. I'm quite nervous. As you can probably imagine, I'm not a mechanic, I have mechanical knowledge, but let's see if I can put that knowledge into play. I am aiming for about 250 to 260 on stock internals. I don't want to go massively high just yet, because as soon as you start going forging, that's when, and at the moment it's non-existent. So gonna keep it on stock internals now. Turbo, small turbo, inlet manifold, everything like that. Gonna try and do most of the plumbing on my own. Give it a go, see how we go. Probably be using mainly stainless steel because I can't weld aluminium. I've got the equipment to do it, but I can't do it for shit. So could probably be a learning experience, see how we go. But yeah, I'm really excited. This has been in plan for a really long time, so it's going to be nice to see how it comes along. If you guys have been following my channel for a long period of time, this is the wrong channel to be subscribing if you want to see like a turbo build in like a week and a half, because it's not happening. This engine now is going to get stripped down, going to take everything off it. I want it to look showroom clean, and that's not really like my style, but I'm thinking once the engine's out, get the engine clean, paint it up, make it look absolutely beautiful, and just obviously do little things here and there. Like I just want to double check everything's okay before we chuck it in the car and find out everything's gone tits up. So yeah, it's a lot of waffling. Hopefully you guys are getting as good as I am. I'm not going to lie, this is not scary. Yeah. That's the way to put it. Don't want to sound like a bit of a pussy, which I probably am. But yeah, just seeing this as it is right now intimidates the shit out of me. It's like looking into the Matrix. But yeah, mad. Very clean engine. It's got a full service history. Like I says, the clutch needs to go. I had a bit too much fun with that when I took it for a test drive. But obviously a clean engine. It's got the full loom there. I've got a new gearbox coming, which some of you might be able to guess. So this gearbox will be going. Also the inlet manifold is going to be going, so if anyone needs that, then let me know. Also going to be getting rid of the power steering reservoir, so if you need any of these things, give me a shout, because I don't really need them. Also the drive shafts, because we're not going to be needing them either. So yeah, very probably short video, probably too much talking, but I've just been excited, like finding something to look forward to. Got a new build, and yeah, more content for you guys, which is obviously going to be Ford related, because I gather that's what you guys want to see. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you want to see how this build is going to be going. It's going to be going for a long period of time. Like, I will start dismantling it, and then I'll get all that on video. But yeah, it's not going to be a rush video. I'm not going to try and do it in a day. Want to take my time with it, learn a lot, because like I said, I'm not a mechanic. This is like an opportunity for me to like delve deep into a car, take things off, see how they come apart, see how they go back together, and hopefully have the end goal of making it run, which I think we'll be able to do it. So yeah, staying optimistic, gotta pray. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.